हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू रुचि's वर्ल्ड। एंड कैसे हैं आप लोग? बहुत दिन हो गए मैंने वीडियोस बनाए नहीं। इस बार का ये जो वीडियो है दैट इज़ विंटर स्पेशल। विंटर्स आ गए हैं, शायद आपके अभी आ ही गए होंगे। यहाँ पे तो काफ़ी ठंड पड़ रही है। मेरा जो भी विंटर कलेक्शन है उसको कैसे मैं स्टाइल करूँगी और आई शो यू हाउ आई पेयर एंड मिक्स एंड मैच विद डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स। और यस, लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। This is my first winter wear outfit. I'm wearing a woolen full sleeves yellow top and the lower is a silhouette of white net. I'm pairing it with sandals. This is my second outfit and I'm wearing a full sleeve sweater top. It's a kind of party wear top as well, and I am wearing a red color short skirt, A-line skirt, and I'm wearing leather boots with this. Boots goes very well with this look. You can also wear a parallel trouser. So this is my third look. I'm wearing a white V-neck crop top inside and a tapered navy blue formal pant. Then I'm layering it up with a white open blazer and with off-white sandals. This is kind of more formal look, so you can create this look while going for your office or for your work. So this is my fourth look. This is more of a party wear look. I am wearing a one shoulder party wear top, full sleeves, and grey A-line formal skirt with this, and I'm using a black high heeled boots with these. So the fifth look is I'm wearing here a party wear, black party wear top, and I'm carrying a red blazer, open blazer with it, and parallel dotted white trousers, and I'm using the dark green wedges with them. Gives a very nice casual winter look. It's very comfortable. So coming to my sixth look, I'm wearing a knitted red long top, and I'm pairing it up with the olive green skin fit denims. Then I'm also wearing a knitted red woolen cap or a beanie, and this has been knitted by me. I do crochet work, so do let me know if you want to know how I made it. Then I have a trench coat with me, and it can be paired if there's a lot of cold. And then you can use the green wedges with them. gives a very nice western winter look. So this is my seventh look. I'm wearing a v-neck full sleeves off shoulder or the cold shoulder top, and pairing it up with a regular fit checkered pants, and I'm using the leather boots with them. It gives a great casual look. This is one of my favorite look. And which one is yours? You can add a woolen scarf with it. And a matching woolen cap or a beanie, and you're good to go. Coming to my eighth look, I am wearing a white fur woolen round neck full sleeve top, and with blue denims. I'm using this scarf as a headband. This gives a very chic look. So you can just play around with this yellow scarf. You can put it over your neck. And since this is a white top, you can add different color layers with it. I have added a checkered full sleeve shirt. And this is a polka dot full sleeve shirt. This gives a very vintage look. You can also add a hoodie or a jacket with it if it's more cold. And this is my last look for today. So I'm wearing a white woolen round neck party wear kind of a top, and pairing it up with the denim jeans, and I'm adding a baby pink crochet scarf. Again, this has been knitted by me, and you can play around with different layers here. You can add a poncho or a shawl with it to give it a different look. For the shoes, you can also try the sneakers or the sport shoes, and then you can try the turtleneck tops, and you can try stockings, earmuffs if there's a lot of cold. Last look, although मेरे पास बहुत सारे winter के clothes हैं, but then I am tired. It's around 7 o'clock in the evening. मुझे 3-4 घंटे हो गए कपड़े चेंज करते करते और आपके लिए लुक्स क्रिएट करते करते. सो आई थिंक इट्स बिन अराउंड 6 to 7 looks are created for you in the winter, for the winter. So I hope आपको इसमें से एटलीस्ट कोई लुक्स तो पसंद आए होंगे. लेट्स सी, आप मुझे कमेंट्स करिए, बताइए आपको इसमें से कौन सा लुक्स पसंद आया, और आप कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स पे, टॉपिक्स पे वीडियोस यू वांट मी टू क्रिएट सम वीडियोस फॉर यू. लेट मी नो. बेल आइकन प्रेस करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए फॉर माय लेटेस्ट वीडियोस, एंड डू लाइक एंड कमेंट. बाय बाय.